Buenos dias. So it's Thursday the 16th, and we're heading into town to try again to get our mail so I can rebuild my computer and do some other things. And as you noticed, Bobby's not talking much because those dreadful plants have gotten him again.
Malanga. It's not near as bad this time, but it still hurts quite a bit. Yeah, we're headed in to try to get our mail again because the post office was closed from no power. Oh, we got so many packages and things to pick up.
So, yeah, we're gonna...
But this is an earthquake update video. They continue to rumble every day. We had a 5-point something yesterday. But no real problem. Oh, in Puerto Rico, she's 2.5 inches taller now. Like I told my kids, she's just growing. The island's growing for us. Woo! It's a good thing. More beachfront property.
Okay.
All right, I'm done.
Well, that's all I have to update on. So I hope everyone's doing well, and hope everyone, who are affected the most during this bad time is, it's safe, and it's hard to say for them to be doing the best they can because it's really stressful. I know I wake up every night after I hear a shake, preparing myself to run out the door. It's very stressful. So I can only imagine what everyone in Ponce is going through. My heart goes out to them. Prayers and blessings of safety as well. So,
Yeah, much love from Earth Roots Healing. You want to say hi, guys?
Hi.
Over now for now.